I want to share with you a math trick I learned. We're going to learn how to cube root. Now a cube is when you multiply a number by itself 3 times, 2 times 2 times 2. So we're going to do that for all the numbers from 1 through 10. I want you to notice how each cube actually ends in a different number. And the ones that don't actually match actually do if you subtract them from 10. So let's practice taking the cube root. First you look at the last number, find it on the cube table. That's your ones place. Then you throw away everything but the first 3 digits, find where that 3-digit number is on the cube table. Take the lower of the 2 that it's between. That is your tens digit. Put it together, you have the answer. In this case, 63. Amazing, right? Let's do it again. Let's take the last digit, find it on the cube table, and then throw away everything except the first 3 digits, no matter how big the number is. Find that on the cube table, take the lower of the 2, that's your tens, for a total of 49. If you would like your kids to be totally blown away by their own math skills, join me for math classes for 4th through 8th grade at superchargedmath.com.